Question of the day, you motherfuckers. Two questions. First question is, what's the last book you read? In the comments, let me know. And then the second question of the day is, have you subscribed yet? Adoy. Let's watch YouTube.
It's like the Spice Girls, but it's like 300 of them. Oh my God.
Your outfit is amazing. I was staring at it. I was like, man, this shit.
Say play my, ayy. Say play my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Break some bread up, nigga, that butter my biscuit. You ain't talking money, then really that's none of my business. I don't even need these lenses. 20 on 20 my vision. Valuable bitch with an eye on the price, but nigga, I ain't no million. Millions, thousands, billions. Vibes on me like Dylan. Blondes on me like Hilton. Wendy's on me like Williams. Shouting, digging. Look at me like I'm alien. Bitch, I'm fucking reptilian. Bitch, ow. All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I felt out. You ain't even get out. Bitch, ow. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I meant to say jealous. All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play my pussy, but don't play my emotions. If we spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play my pussy, but don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I. Nigga, don't do it, you blue. You tryna get spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion. Telling me this and that, the third, that shit for the birds. I'm ghosting if you don't dive in the pussy like dolphins. If you don't dive in the pussy like oceans. Swim look out in the color like oceans. Nigga, don't pussy be open. Nigga won't slide on the pussy like oceans.
Make you horny, baby.
That's my ego that you stroking. Nigga, don't laugh cause the pussy ain't joking. Nigga, go splash when the pussy be soaking. Where that nigga who don't play mine? You got a fake gold chain on. Tryna speak game, but I'm on my way out. Where?
Next question of the day is, do you sleep with the closet open or closed? And have you subscribed yet? Man, I need some subscribers, man. Come on, man, make it worth my while, bro. Subscribe and then request all these videos for me to watch. That way I can give you content until the next Beer Bros comes out or something like that. Play with my subscribe button, don't play with my emotions.
That nigga, man, where he at? Said play with my pussy, don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe it just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I. That play with my pussy, don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe it just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I.